Hey, just me. Me. Guess who here? Something's trying to kill me. I call it the apocalypse. The walking apocalypse. Can't see it, but you know it's coming for you. You know what I mean? You see that thing that you couldn't see, but know it's coming from you? That's what's happening right now. My special effects engine. It went AWOL. See? It's gone now. The rock is gone. The rock is gone. It disappeared. See, what happened is, my special effects engine, it went insane. Now it's trying to kill me. It's dropping things, getting rid of things, dropping things, and getting rid of things, and getting rid of things again. It's insane. And I can't go downstairs. Well, watch what happens when I try to walk down. You see this? You see that crap? You see that crap? A car. Random car. Just came out of nowhere. Look, there isn't even a hole in the wall. I don't even know how that's supposed to work. And that's what happens. It's not exactly fun either. Maybe I just crawl gently along the hallway. Just gently pull myself across. And then maybe if I just gently crawl, it won't notice me because I'm quiet. Now I'm gonna be really quiet. That was an airplane. That was a freaking airplane, wasn't it? Drowned out me talking and shot me. See that? Got shot by an airplane. Yep, no lie. That's it. I'm sick of this. I'm bringing out the big guns. No more screwing around. You see what I got planned for this? Yeah, buddy, you see this? This is the ultimate gun right here. You can shoot any type of missile you want. I'm destroying anything that I think could be remotely threatening that could be doing this. Let's get this thing going. The bed? Checked. Leave no stone unturned. Ah, I see. I think I know what it might be. Yeah, you. You don't see me? Oh, you see me, don't you? Ah, of course. Well, it makes sense now. I stopped playing you for a little while. You try to kill me, don't you, Super Nintendo? Just wait till you see what I have in store for you. Okay, that's everything. The bed, Super Nintendo. Wait a minute. What do I hear running water? My God, what if it... No, it can't be. What if it's the same?